Hello, my people. How are they? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where the gist Bible matter for pidgin. If na your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. Yeah, so my people. So for the last episode, I start the Joseph series, the story of Joseph. Many of us could be familiar with the story, but some persons too we never still hear about this story. But this na Bible Gist Naija, where I will break everything down for you, where you go take follow up. So our today gist they cover Genesis chapter 37 from verse 12 to verse 36. This now the continuation of the last episode will be the part 1 of the Joseph story. So today we don't enter part 2. So I go like make you go checkmate Bible, may you see wetin Genesis chapter 37 from verse 12 to 36 they talk about, so that you too will fulfill follow up the gist very well as it take they come. So my people, right about now, make we enter today gist. So my people, for the last episode, remember say I tell una say as Papa Jacob take give Joseph the coat of many colors, na so the brothers dem say the vex too say why just dey do things for am anyhow, just dey favour am anyhow, wey be say dem birthday wey be dem wey be the first set of children wey im don get, this one wey be the last na im come dey do like say na only him wey im get. So that one join together plus the dream wey Joseph come dey dream up and down as the based on the dreamer wey e be now, all everything follow dey vex the brothers dem. So one day na so Papa Jacob come call Joseph, say Joseph, how far na come and send you message. You know wetin go happen? Go carry that your fine coat, that your coat of many colour wey I give you, so wear am make e come. Shebi your brothers dey go bush go take care of animals. Joseph say yes. And Jacob say okay, I go like make you wear that your fine coat wey I give you, so make you just dey paparazzi for the road dey go, carry am make you go check on your brothers, make you see how they dey do, make you for carry food too go give them. As Papa Jacob talk like this, Joseph happy say him dey go, because anytime wey their father dey send am to go meet check on their brothers like that, him dey always happy. So na so him gree, him happy, no nothing 2 seconds him say okay papa give me the message, tell me, give me everything, give me the food, give me everything, water make I carry dey go, no time to waste. Na so Papa Jacob tidy everything, carry am give Joseph. As Joseph take dey happy dey go, so him no know say na wahala wey him don dey enter. As he take dey go, dey happy, dey jump for road, dey dance for road, dey go to go find him brothers. So he fine, come later sight them from far. As he sight them from far, he come hail am, he come hail Reuben, say bros Reuben. All of them come turn, come see am. While him dey happy as he see him brothers vex don full their mind, especially as e be say they come see am again with that coat of many colors. Na there they begin dey plan evil against am. This one dey talk him own, this one dey talk him own, everything. They just dey plan different wicked things wey they go fit take do am. Na so one of them say as him dey come like this now, no time to waste, make we just finish am, make we kpai am, then make we see how that him dream go take come to pass. Na so Reuben wey be the elder one say no, make una no do this thing. Even as dem still dey do am like this, Reuben still get small sympathy inside am, come say no, make una no do like this. Instead, you know, see that pit wey dey there, make we throw am inside the pit so that him go get small sense. Maybe by the time him go come out from the pit, him no go wan talk about those him dream dem again. Na so they come carry am. As him near them, as him don come near them, as they just collect the food dem for him hand, na so dem hold am, comot the coat of many colors for him body, beat am small. Na so dem carry am throw inside the well. And that well don dry for how many years? They never dey use that well, water no dey even rush inside. Na so the thing dry like where harmattan don hit. Na so dem leave am inside there o. So e get when e reach, as dem just dey the gist, dey jolly, dey chop their food wey him carry come, na im dem come see all those slave trade people dem wey dey pass. Na so one of them come say, bros dem, instead of us to just waste talent like this or leave this boy here, wetin una go think, make we sell am give these people na, make dem carry am go, make we still know say we still achieve something on top. How una see am? Na so dem say wisdom wan finish you, make we do like that. Na so dem come carry rope throw inside give Joseph, him come hold the rope, dem come drag am out. As those people near, na dem come carry Joseph hand over to them, collect small money wey dem take collect. Just like this, na im Joseph take enter slavery. Ah, but these men dem really get mind oo. See how dem sell their own blood brother like say na gala wey dem dey sell for road. For where you know all those gala wey dem dey sell for road where hold up dey. Because e no make sense at all. Even come see the amount, the price wey dem take sell am, price wey dem take sell talent just for 20 silver. E no make sense at all. But on the other hand too, Papa Jacob no try because all the favoritism wey dey go dey show Joseph follow add up for wetin dey come dey make the brothers dem dey para. Na make if you be parent too wey dey come, as you dey get the children dey come so, or if you don get them already, dey careful the way you dey treat them. Make you know, even though you like one of them pass the other, no let am show. Make e just dey inside your heart. Because if you begin dey do all these things, dey show this favoritism openly, e dey cause wahala. E don start tey, no be today. E first start for Bible between Joseph and im brothers. As the story still dey go on, you go still see reasons why every decision you dey make where your children dey, you have to dey fair with all of them. Make nobody, make no other the other person no come dey feel say, ah, papa no like me or daddy no like me or pale no like me. Na this one he like pass, or he no like us. Na this one he like pass. So make we dey careful. So now wey be say they don sell Joseph give these Egyptians wey dey pass so, no be there the story end o. Wetin dem wan go house now go tell Papa Jacob. That now na wetin dem begin dey reason, dey deliberate. Na so one of them just say, ah, we no reason this matter too much. We don do wetin we do, we don do am. Good thing be say we no even kill ourselves. At least we still pity am. Na just slave people wey we just sell and give. Now they say, okay, we just tear those dying coat of many colors small. We just tear am, then soak am inside the blood of one of these goats. We just kill one of these goats, then soak in blood inside, carry am go house. When we reach house, we cry, we fake cry. Tell Papa say wild animal as him dey come. Say they no even know say him dey come. Say as they want dey come back, now they see am for road where wild animal don tear am finish. They no even see any part of him body, na just the clothes wey they see. And so they say, sharp, this idea make sense. Move do am like that. So as they take they go, they reach house. They never even near because Papa Joseph no say, Papa Jacob rather no say Joseph na pikin wey be say he no dey stay one place. As they follow they take they come back, so say na him for don go first they run come for front, they jump up and down. You know see Joseph, once na so him eye don dey red, he come look, he come bend down, come look, he come see say dem hold him coat for hand. Na there Papa burst cry. They never even tell am wetin happen o. When they come reach where they finally, because say, Papa, see wetin we see o. We dey come back from the bush where you send us go, we go take care of animal. Na so we jam our brother body clothes, we jam our brother clothes for ground. Only him bone there now we see. As they tell her like that, na so Jacob break down. Jacob break down, he weak am, he no know what he wan do. Na so he begin dey cry. Begin dey cry, come wear sackcloth, come pour ashes. That's na how he take enter the mourning mode. So my people, na so Joseph take enter slave people hand o. And na so they take carry am go the land of Egypt. The brothers then go back house with fake heavy heart wey dem carry go. They don do their mind, they don happy. Say this one wey come say we go later dey bow down for am one day, he go be Lord over us one day. We don sell am, we don go. But they don't know say Baba God just dey direct the bigger script. This na wetin they don't know. If say they know, say those their actions dey lead to something better for Joseph, dem for no do am. So my people, na here we go end today gist. But if you wan know wetin go happen for the land of Egypt wey Joseph dey go so, no miss the next episode because na there the main gist dey start. So abeg comment for our comment section, like our videos, share the video with your friends and family, share am with your guys. This na Bible gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless you.